Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle, the second regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 24th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle, so two puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the medium Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional with extra puzzles. What I will do is in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's additional. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's war day number 455 days. War day number 455, yeah. 455 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, medium Sudoku number 6483. Before I start, I always count or print the digits. Well, the medium Sudoku, the digits is increasing, so normally the medium Sudoku has 26 printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. 28, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this should be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe I will solve this faster than 15, maybe 14 or 13 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, can I do this the same there? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. So we need a 9 here. 9, 9. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So last column, no only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. In this column, the middle column, we need a 9. We have two numbers, so 9 minus 2 are 7 missing numbers. And one of the missing number in the middle column is the number 9. We have a 9 in this first row, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. And we have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 here. And here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 should be in one of these 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Here can be a 9 because we have already a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait for more information right now. Yes, insufficient information. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. So no 4 in these 3 boxes here, 4 in this column, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. I should be there. Alright. Then yeah. Well. Let me see. Can I do something with 7 in the last column? 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with the 7 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Away the 8. Okay, here I need the 8 also. Then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 1. Okay. But a 2, need a 2 here, need a 5 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 and a 5 in the middle row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Disappear. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. 2. How about 2, 3, 8, and the 7, 3, 8, 7, no, 3, 8, 7. I'm thinking, 4, 8, the 2. Well, let me see. The 7 should be here. The 7 should be there. Well. Look. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. In this big square. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in this row, last row, 7 in that row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. But we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, okay. Need an 8 here. Need a 2 here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. Again, the 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 2. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 are missing. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3, 8, 5. Then 7 and 3. How about 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4, okay. 6, 7, 5, 5. Oh, 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay, now I can continue with the 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes here. 5 in the first row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 3 and 8. Okay, 2 missing numbers. Can I fill this yet? No, 3 and 8. How about the 8s now? No. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 there, need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Need to wait. 4, 4. Need a 4 here, okay. How about a 5 then? 5, 5. 5, 5. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Wait, and now, 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright, so we have a 3 here, we have an 8 there. We need a pair, 4 and 7, yes. Well, we have here a pair. We have in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. We have a 3 and 8 in the second row, so no 3 and 8 in that box. The 3 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 4 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 1 box left in this row, third row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in that row, so no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Oh, wait. Two missing numbers in this big square. One of them is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. He's missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then let me see. Two missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And 2 numbers left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finishes 16 minutes. 60 minutes. Wow. Tough one. Not easy than the 1 star. But I've enjoyed this puzzle. Yeah. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 1 star. Not pleased with the time, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I will do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.